Okay. So we have our 0 plus 20 profile created. We'll do our 0 plus 50 next. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select alignment, create an alignment from an object, and select the polyline. So when I select the polyline, you can see this arrow that shows up right in this location right here. And you can see how the arrow is pointing from right to left. But the profile, we want the profile to match our plan view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit R for reverse, enter, and that's going to reverse that alignment so that it goes from, you can see the arrow, left to right. So when I create my profile, it matches. I'm going to call this 0 plus 50. Centerline alignment, none of this changes. Click OK. Now if you look in here, you can see our centerline alignments. We just created another one. So again, that process, I'll create the 100 alignment, create an alignment from objects, select a polyline. It has to be a polyline. Enter, hit R to reverse it, again to make it go left to right. And this is at 100 feet, so that in station is 1 plus 0, 0. So we created 2 alignments. Then we're going to take our profile, create a surface profile, and this time we want to create it from the 0 plus 50 alignment. Still using existing grade as a surface. I'm going to go to draw in profile. I'm going to call this 0 plus 50. Make sure we can keep these straight. Again, I'm just going to go pretty much through next, next, next. If we had a existing surface and new surface, you could create these hatch areas that would show cut and fill between the two, but we only have the one surface. So I'm just going to click Create Profile View here, and I'll set this one right above the other one. So we have 0 plus 50. Does that make sense? No, they were 30 feet apart. So the first one was 20 feet. Then the next one was 30 feet from the 20, which would be 0 plus 50. Because 20 plus 30 is 50 feet. And then it was 50 feet from the 50 foot. So it was 0 plus 20, 0 plus 50, and then 0 plus, or 1 plus 0, 0. Yeah, there was a 30-foot offset, but it was 30 feet from the 20, which makes it 50 feet from the 0. So that was, well, it's 3 minutes now. So it took us less than 3 minutes there to create that profile. We'll do another one right quick here. Profile, create a surface profile. This time we want to use our 1 plus 0, 0. Again, we're using existing grade. Had we had another surface here, you could add both of them to show the clash for cut fill. Draw in profile view. This is PV 1 plus 0, 0. PV is profile view. Next, next, next. Create profile view. And when I select, I'm just going to drag this into place here. That's my 1 plus 100 profile view. So you can adjust the text files or the text sizes to match your drawing, but in less than 4 minutes here, we just created 2 profiles that they didn't take an astronomical amount of time by hand, but this is a relatively small site. AutoCAD will create these as fast as it does with you can create a profile through the whole length of campus. And you can imagine how much time that would take to plot by hand. And this does it in a matter of seconds along any alignment that you create. The alignments on these also don't have to be a straight line either. So you could do an alignment along the back loop of campus, for example, the road. And think of if you were trying to plot a curved alignment by hand, that'd be kind of a challenging thing to plot. But I'm gonna pull